Hello friends, let's begin the current affairs for 3rd of May, that is World Laughter Day. As we all know, laughter is good for health, so we should always keep laughing. Let's begin. National Board for Wildlife has permitted the use of 98.59 hectares of land for coal mining. So, which of the following elephant reserve has permitted it? So, it is Dehing Patkai Elephant Reserve, which is located in Assam. Who has become the first Indian to be nominated for the Fed Cup Heart Award from the Asia zone? So, she is Sania Mirza. Which minister has launched MSME Bank of Ideas, Innovation and Research Portal? So, this portal is launched by Nitin Gadkari, who is Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways as well as MSME. Which IIT has designed low-cost bamboo furniture to meet the requirements of primary health centers in the rural villages of Assam? So, it is IIT Guwahati. Which minister attended an extraordinary virtual G20 Digital Economy Ministers meet? So, it was attended by Ravi Shankar Prasad, who is Minister of Electronics and Information Technology and Communication. And who heads the G20 presidency? It is Saudi Arabia. Who is the Indian origin girl who names NASA's Mars helicopter as Ingenuity? So, she is Vanessa Rupani. Which institute launched Kisan Sabha app to connect farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management system? So, the institute is CSIR, Central Road Research Institute. Which state government launched an agro-entrepreneur facilitation desk to help the entrepreneurs of the state? So, it has been launched by Tripura government. India is at what position in the International Cricket Council? So, India is at 3rd position with the score 114 and the list is topped by Australia. Who has been appointed as the NTPC Director for Operation? So, it is Ramesh Babu. Who is the author of a book Shivaji in South Block, The Unwritten History of a Proud People? So, this book is written by Girish Kuber. Delhi Police, in association with which institute, has jointly run the program called Ayu Raksha with the tagline Corona se jang, Delhi Police ke sang. So, it has been done in association with All India Institute of Ayurveda, which is located in New Delhi. Which bank approves USD 400 million financial support to India to help enhance its coastal and marine resources? So, it is World Bank. Thank you. That's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and follow our Instagram channel at Rapid General Awareness. Thank you.